Let's see how to download Google Gemini app on your MacBook. So the thing is very simple. You just turn on the internet connection and open any browser. For now, I just open Safari. Click the search and type Gemini. Search and open Google Gemini or sign in. It's completely your wish. Okay, it comes to this page. Now click sign in and sign into your email address. Okay, it's signed in. Now click file and add to dock. Now you can assign any name as per your wish. I leave it for default and click add. That's it, it's done. Now close this and here you can see Google Gemini app is downloaded. If you open, it's ready to listen your voice. That's it. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.